Welcome to Medics and Radios. Here's the January 2024 monthly New Mexico Public Safety Training Update. There's an online ICS 300 course available in January 2024. Log in to the NMDHSEM training website, or if your NMDHSEM account is updated, you can go directly to www.preparingnewmexico.org/schedule.aspx to see the schedule of available classes. The links are in the description below. NMDHSEM has several classes still open for January. The ICS 300 virtual class is January 16th through the 18th online. Prereqs are IS 100, 200, 700, and 800. The Mitigation for Emergency Managers course is January 17th and 18th at Sandoval County Fire Admin. Prereqs are IS 100. The NIMS ICS All Hazards Task Force and Strike Team Leader course is January 23rd through 25th at Sandoval County Fire Admin. Prereqs are IS 100, 200, 700, 800, ICS 300 and 400, and G191. The Moriarty Fire Department is running an ICS 300 course on January 31st and February 1st and 2nd. Prereqs are IS 100, 200, 700, and 800. The Science of Disaster course is January 19th through 21st at the Valencia Workforce Training Center in Los Lunas. The prereqs are IS 100, 200, 700, and 800, plus the FEMA Professional Development Series. Planning Emergency Operations is running on February 22nd and 23rd at the Valencia Workforce Training Center in Los Lunas. Prereqs are IS 100, 200, 700, and 800, plus the FEMA Professional Development Series. If you haven't registered at the NMDHSEM site, then you'll need an account first. Be sure to upload your other certifications to the site also. ARES, Amateur Radio Emergency Services. Valencia County ARES runs a regular 4-Saturday training for ham radio operators interested in assisting during emergencies. ARES operators volunteer their time and equipment to serve as backup communications during disasters. You don't have to have a ham license to attend training, and visitors are welcome. Team Rubicon doesn't have any training in New Mexico in January, but they do have an event in Albuquerque, Ramp Up to Help 5.0, where they'll be building wheelchair ramps to support the New Mexico Ramp Project. This is a good opportunity to learn how to use power tools if you want some training, as well as to get more involved with Team Rubicon. All tools and materials will be supplied by the NMRP. Team Rubicon is a veteran-led humanitarian organization built to serve global communities before, during, and after disasters and crises. Medics and Radios is running Incident Management Scenario Training in Truth or Consequences and Las Cruces in January. Medics and Radios uses simple scenarios and drills to help average community members develop disaster response skills. Watch the Medics and Radios website for times and locations. Online training. For convenient links to online training from FEMA, ARES, the National Wildfire Coordinating Groups, and other sources, be sure to see the Medics and Radios basic course at www.medicsandradios.com. Thanks for watching the January Training Update. Be sure to subscribe to Medics and Radios for more updates and videos.